Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will see how to create a first component in ReactJS. So let's start, and first we will see the structure of ReactJS, what we have created in the previous video of installation. If not seen the video, so please I will strongly recommend to see the previous video of the installation of ReactJS, then come to this video. So in this video we will see the first component of ReactJS, how to create the first component in ReactJS. So first you will see the structure of ReactJS. You can see we have a node modules file folder, a public folder in which we have the SVG. The source folder is the main folder where all the main components of code is written. You mostly deal with this only. So you have the app.css file, you have the app.js file. This is a component only. But the main logic is written here only. The main component is rendered here, and all the components are called here in the app.js file. After that you have the HTML file. You can see the JSON file. And the JSON file is the dependencies are installed, data dependencies are installed. You have the readme file, you have the element CSS config file, you have the vite config file. Okay, that's great. Now we'll first create a component. So if you're creating a React.js app, your code should be in a structure wise manner, not in a clutter manner. That here are the components, so components folder, and in that we'll create a new component. We will name it first component. Always a component name should start with a capital letter. And if you're creating a React.js app, then you have to create JSX. And if you're creating any logic in React.js, you have to name it as JS only, not JSX. So let's click enter. This is your first React.js app component I've created, and you have an extension in React.js. That is, you can say extension name I've forgotten. You can say, okay, here it is, ES7 React.js. You have to install this extension. So what the extension does is, if you type RAFCE React Arrow functional based component, so it creates a default structure of the component. You have to not write the component again and again. So it is very easy. It makes the work of creating a component, the starter file, you can say a template, very easy. So install this in your Chrome, in your VS Code extension, and type RAFCE. It will create this type of function. It's simple function of JavaScript only. If you know JavaScript, you will see it is a function only. React.js is also component, is also a function only that we use anywhere we want. So here you can see we have created a first component, and we will put here you can say h1 tag. You have to say, we are writing HTML in JavaScript. You can say hello world, I am React.js. So this we have created. Now we'll go to Chrome, and you will say I can see nothing in this. Why? So first of all, you have to clear this. So here type RAFCE. So now here you can see, you will see app written here. Okay, you will be saying why not we are seeing this stuff in the web browser or in the output. So we have to call this component here. This is the main file where all the components are getting called. So you have to type first component. Automatically you can see VS Code gives the import statement of this. Automatically it gets imported, and if you save it, and you can see here, you will say hello world, I am React.js printed. So you have created your first React.js component. That's great. And you can see this is stuff. And in the next video we will see what are props. Props are very necessary, and props we will see. And in the next video we will start the different React.js hooks. Use thread hook, use ref hook, use memo hook. All the hooks that are necessary to create a project. In the real world use case, in the main corporate world, main industry, what are the hooks used. And also in the future we will see different state management libraries. So this was the first component we have created in React.js, and you can create multiple components like this. So basically, if you want to see a main use case of React.js, you can see here we will, if we copy paste this component again 3 times, 4 times, how many times you want, you will see we have pasted the same thing again and again, writing the HTML, this stuff. Now it's a small thing. For example, I've given the small thing. It will be a bigger thing in the future. So it will become very easy for you to create components and write web application very easily. So in the future also we will see React.js, you can say router DOM for routing between different pages from one page to another without refreshing the page. That is the main, you can say, advantage of React.js that React.js gives it. So this is for this video and the first React.js component I've created. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.